Why, hey there, it's Colin down at North Island Nissan on a gorgeous day here in March, and I just got a little trick for your vehicle, for your Nissan. Doesn't have to be a Rogue, but right behind us, if you hit the lock button, that gets you the honk. If you do not want the honk at all you have to do is hold down the lock and unlock buttons at the same time for about 3 seconds. You'll see the vehicle flash, and no more honk. There you go. Any more tricks, just contact me, 250-287-7272. All the best. We'll see you soon.